In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install MetaTrader 5 on your laptop, a process that should take about 5 minutes. MetaTrader 5 is a widely used platform for trading and technical analysis, so it's essential to have it readily available if you are diving into the world of trading. Let's make sure you get it set up efficiently and correctly. First things first, you need to head over to your web browser. Open it up and go to Google. In the search bar, type in MetaTrader 5 and hit enter. You should see a list of results populate the screen. Here, you want to look for the official MetaTrader 5 website. It's crucial that you click on this official link, as this ensures you are downloading the correct and safe version of the software without any risk to your system. Once you are on the official MetaTrader 5 website, take a moment to locate the download section. This is usually quite prominent as the site is well designed for user navigation. You'll want to select the option that corresponds to your system, whether that's Windows, Mac, or another operating system, and then click on the download button. This action will commence the downloading of the MetaTrader 5 installer file directly onto your computer. Now, with the file successfully downloaded, you'll need to find it in your computer's download folder. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the Download section, where you should see the MetaTrader 5 executable file. Double-click this file to begin the installation process. As the installer begins, you'll be greeted by a setup wizard. It's straightforward to follow. You'll see a Next button on the bottom right. Go ahead and click on that. The installation will start, and you'll likely see a progress bar indicating how far along the process is. This part shouldn't take long, but it's always good to be patient and make sure everything installs correctly. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to click Finish. Doing so will wrap up the installation process, and excitingly, MetaTrader 5 should automatically open right after the installation is completed. Congratulations! You have now installed MetaTrader 5 on your laptop. You're ready to start exploring the world of trading and technical chart analysis. Remember to take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features so you can make the most of what MetaTrader 5 has to offer. And of course, always ensure your trading strategies are well researched and prudent. Thanks for joining, and happy trading!